Let us first reduce the question in the simplest form. Okay, now we are having question as integration of sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Okay, now reducing this to the simplest form, what we can do it, let x is equal to tan theta. Let us put x is equal to tan theta. Now differentiating with respect to theta, we are having dx is equal to secant square theta d theta. Now the question becomes sine inverse 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta dx, that is secant square theta d theta. Sine inverse sine 2 theta with secant square theta d theta. 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is what? Is equal to sine 2 theta. Okay, reducing this in the simplest form. Now this becomes 2 integration of theta with secant square theta d theta. Is it clear? Now using this as a first function, this as a second function, and integrating by parts. Integrating by parts. Now what we can do it? 2 as it is. Now first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration d by dx of first function, sorry, d by d theta of theta, integration of secant square theta d theta. Now what we are getting? 2 with theta tan theta, theta tan theta minus integration of tan theta d theta. Okay, d theta is 1, integration of secant square theta is tan theta. Now this becomes 2 theta tan theta minus log mod of secant theta plus c. So this we can write it now 2 as it is, theta with tan theta minus log under the root 1 plus tan square theta plus c. Now let's put what theta is. X is tan theta and theta is tan inverse x. So we are having 2 with tan theta is what? X. So x with tan inverse x, because theta will become tan inverse x, minus log minus 2 log under the root 1 plus x square plus c. Answer.